What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be building a tower up to monkey blocks. So, to monkey gods. So, let's do that.
We're in monkey gods.
This one. Bro. There. No, not like that. Like this. No. Okay, whatever. It's fine. And yes, I have built this before. It's kind of like it might be a long time.
Look at all of our pieces.
Oh, we're not gonna talk about that. Yeah. I'm just gonna. I missed all of those.
Yeah, I'm gonna start our tower right here. Boom. Grab more.
Bless you.
Who are you telling bless you?
My roommate.
Midnight?
No, not midnight.
Also, her cat has some issues.
He does.
Her cat has some very big issues.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna crash.
Boom. Look at our tower. It's almost there.
It's really not. Oh, and then we're gonna add a slide and climb it while we're small, and then slide all the way down.
Oh.
If y'all want to see a giant ice slide next, then
Subscribe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
Once we get to 100 subscribers, we'll be doing a big scary video and a gorilla tag video. Once we get to 100 subscribers, we'll do a giant ice
The
slide.
scary video. Yeah.
So if you want to see that happen, then subscribe.
And also, if you want to see more of me, like and subscribe on this one video.
Like on this one video, and also subscribe. You
If
still
wanna
have
see
to.
more of me in her video.
You still have to subscribe. Yay, we're halfway there. Definitely.
Yeah, almost halfway.
No, we're at halfway. No, not. Midnight, I heard your little thing.
Look how long this is.
Hey, yo.
Oh my god. Why you always have a dirty mind?
I don't have a dirty mind.
Why when I said look how long this is, you said hey yo?
Cause I bet.
You really have a dirty mind.
No, I don't.
Bro, I'm gonna add this giant piece. This is like the size of this. Oh.
Wait, one of them is messed up. Oh!
Can you fix it?
It just collapsed. What the? Bro, I gotta fix that part. Bro, I gotta fix it. Bro, give it to me. There, now take it. I definitely wasn't crashing out.
Fell off the actual towel.
This?
Oh.
No, I was building this.
Oh.
Yeah, we're not.
It's halfway.
It's really not, but okay.
Oh god, why is it creep?
What? You said why?
Can you stand on it?
I heard why is there a creep?
Why is there a creep? Why is there a creep?
What was that laugh? I was like,
You sound like a 5-year-old little girl. That laugh sounds like a 5-year-old little girl.
Oh.
Dude, this is gonna take a while.
Bro, look how big this is.
Yeah, we're definitely a quarter, maybe a quarter of a quarter of a quarter there. I mean, we're there. Yay, we did it.
Yeah, the video's done, guys. Bye-bye. I'm just forever building. It just went through the floor. Yeah, can I have a new one? That happened. Guys, I think something happened. Yeah, we're almost there. Whee! Okay. I guess I'm doing this video myself. So, this is gonna take even longer. Oh shoot. Alright, that might have died. Just gonna snatch this. Oh yeah, everything's working again. Okay. Our game like just lagged for me. Shoot. Just gonna forever build hers. She might join back. Midnight. Oh, hold up, guys. Let me put this on here, and then I might have to cut the video, cause so guys, sadly, I lost all of my, or we lost all of our progress, cause after she left, the game broke. After like I cut it, and the game broke. So so I'm gonna cut until we get back to the part that we were at, and she can't. Okay, guys, we're back with our progress, and yeah, her VR finally charged a little bit, I guess.
And also, she just built a massive piece, and then it just disappeared.
It just deleted itself, bro.
Disappeared.
I was about to crash out, bro. Like I could be watching My Hero Academia right now, but instead I'm making a video for you guys. Like I could be watching Bakugo crash out on Deku right now, and instead I'm making a video for you guys.
We hope that you like and subscribe for this video, because this is gonna take a while.
Yeah, I was in my
We're using all
room
of our time
watching
that we could be watching
My Hero
all
Academia.
of the seasons. We could be
My Hero
watching all the
Academia.
seasons of My Hero Academia.
And then this girl calls me and be like, "You want to make a video?" I was like, "Bro, I'm watching My Hero Academia." And she'd be
Mommy,
like,
that's not my fault. You said you would make a video and you never did.
I forgot about that for real. Not me just infinitely building, bro.
Yeah, the trick is you just keep building and keep building. That's how I made it all the way up to halfway.
Bro.
But I made it to
Yeah,
halfway
she's
because
getting all the credit to herself, guys. Don't listen to her.
I built the rest of the pieces that made it to halfway.
Yeah, but your headset died and I made it halfway and it got deleted.
And
my game
then
crashed.
I refixed it and then made it to halfway again.
My game broke. My fault.
So we technically both made it to halfway.
I did it first.
Okay, I'll give you the credit for making it first.
Oh, and guys, please get me to 100 subscribers.
Yeah, so if we get her to 100 subscribers, there'll be more of me in the videos.
And there will be a giant ice slide video coming. I'm scared.
Did you just...
No, my thing was broken and it wasn't working, so I had to like shred some of it.
Oh, I was like, did you just shred the whole thing?
Look how
Look at
tall
that
it is.
giant- Look at...
Mine is definitely taller.
That's because I was holding it all the way down to the bottom. Yours was higher.
No, mine was right here.
Oh, bro. We might almost make it all the way up.
Oh my gosh, of course this happens. Please, be careful,
Did you just... the whole thing?
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I think this going to the wall more likely than going up. Also, please, if you're watching this video, comment in the chat. Midnight has some issues. That's
He does.
So type in the chat. Midnight has some issues.
Bro, my name is it's so small now. It was so big. Pause.
Hey yo.
It's better than when Kayla said, "Let me develop your rod, bro."
Bro, why are you giving people? Why are you telling people that? Because then they're gonna go watching his videos, and then they'll start liking and subscribing to his videos. They need to like and subscribe.
Bro, literally 4,000 million people are subscribed to him. Like,
Yeah, like we
probably
need-
everybody that watches my videos are subscribed to him, probably, bro. Most likely.
I'm not subscribed to Kayla, so I subscribe to your videos.
I'm subscribed to him.
Even you are subscribed to Kayla's.
I've been subscribed to him since I was like 5. And that's not lying.
I've always used YouTube signed out. Like
Dang.
guest account. I've never had an account, so there's no way I could have been subscribed to someone since 5. Type in the comments if you were allowed to watch YouTube when you were little.
Oh my gosh, bro, this thing is so annoying.
Bro, why is this taking forever? I can't believe first you deleted your giant long tower, and
Pause.
then you grinded your whole tower.
Oh my.
Oh. I let go of it, and it bounced all the way over here.
What? Bro, nothing's there. Nothing's there. It's right
It's the
here.
tower, it's like stuck.
It's right here.
Drop it. What the heck? My game is tweaking. Like, it was
What
showing it right there, but it was like glitched out.
What the heck? Look what
It
happens when I
wasn't
drop
letting me
this.
pick it up.
Look what happens when I drop this, bro. Oh, now it's not working. It just
look
does.
how tall this is.
What the heck? Why does it do that? Look.
Bro, you just grinded half of it.
Let me stop.
Bro,
Let me.
you need to stop.
What do you think I'm doing?
Bro, you just need to stop.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, you just need to stop shredding things.
I didn't mean to shred it, bro.
Bro, you shredded your whole last one, and then you're shredding half of your one. Like, bro, you need to stop. I remember when we first met. That's right. We met in Gowawa. We met in Gowawa.
Go wait, what? Oh, and if you guys want to meet me, join the code Days of VR, I guess, because that's my fan code. Okay.
Yeah, that's our fan.
Oh,
And our video code.
bro,
So, if you join that code, you might see us in a video, because it's also our
Bro,
video
look.
codes.
bro, look. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't reach this sadly. Wee.
But we went from joking about it almost being to the top, and now look.
Yeah, we're so far away from the top. We're so far away from the top, bro. Yeah, I could be watching My Hero Academia, but instead I'm making a video for you guys, bro.
Yeah, that's how much we care about having you.
I mean, I'm the one who wanted to have a YouTube channel. I can't just not post.
Yeah, we can't just leave you hanging. We have to give you more.
Guys, does this look like a face or is that just me?
Let me see. Can I see? What? Frick? It looks. That looks like. That look above it looks like a face too. Right there looks like a face.
Yeah, they all look like face.
Wait. What? Does mine have face? Mine doesn't have face.
Wait,
Is that
what?
because I'm holding it wrong?
Wait, hers is, oh yes, it's right here, it's right here. It's right there.
Oh.
Stuck.
Look.
There's just faces everywhere.
There's faces everywhere. Wait. Oh, there's faces. So many faces.
I even switched it, and I can either use bar soap
God, why does this take so long?
or have a hot scrub.
Oh, monkey gods!
I fell.
Oh, I almost touched it!
Guess what? Look, I'm adding one in.
Do I sound like Crocs when he gets his high? He just like...
Oh! Bro! Wait, I wanna slide down it.
God, this is
Whee! I didn't even touch it. I missed it completely.
I've never been on the monkey god.
I've been up here before. Just false.
Yeah, and that cannon video. Also, check out that cannon video.
Oh yeah, half of it's cut out.
Half of it got cut.
Because I forgot to record. Or I just forgot to put it in my
You
CapCut.
forgot to press the record button.
Or I just forgot to put it in my CapCut.
Oh, God.
I'm adding some more.
And you just forgot to put it in CapCut.
Yeah. Wee.
Also, check out, this is not sponsored, but check out CapCut. It's a very good editing program that helps you edit your videos and photos and stuff.
Or you can just use.
use it.
Yeah, y'all saw some of the. You guys know that edit of Deku that I made that y'all got to 190 something likes? That was from CapCut, as you can see. It said CapCut at the end of it.
So I know it's not sponsored, but please check out CapCut. It's a very good editing program.
Yeah. And by the way, so if you don't use CapCut and you're just now using it, by the way, you can't get some of the stuff because you have to have premium. Sadly,
Yes.
I don't have that.
it should have
Oh my gosh, my head is gonna
in
die.
one of the corners. Oh, you can't plug it up. You're not allowed.
Okay, we gotta hurry up. Well, I'm
We
allowed
gotta
to.
put slides on. Oh!
We don't have to put a slide down. We just have to like climb up really far. Bro!
It's okay. I'll put it back on.
No, I got it.
Where'd it go?
What the heck was that?
Oh no.
What the heck happened?
I don't know. I was just standing here and then it went wee. And then I look up and I see you fly. You just like wee.
No! Just falls. Okay, I gotta add a little bit more.
Ooh. What happened? Well, I'm gonna get the slides.
And if you guys want to see more Monkey Blocks videos, like and subscribe. Cause
Yeah, like and subscribe for many reasons so we can do many things.
yeah. Or else I'll never post for y'all again. I'm joking, I'll still
No,
post.
Just give them a break. Give them a break. Give them a break. I'm like, homie, you can't do that to your fans. You messed up my day. Oh, no. We should make a monkey up video in Monkey Blocks. We should make monkey.
Yeah, we'll do that later. Maybe.
Oh, no, no, no.
Because my sister's coming. I forgot about that.
Yay.
Okay, we gotta get it all the way to right here so that if we're small. Whee!
Whee! Also, check out our friend's channel. I don't know how to pronounce his channel name. Proxes. So, yeah, just try and check out his channel.
Oh, if y'all want to see some grab videos, tell me, why are you adding 2 slides?
I'm gonna add a bunch of slides onto the end. Remember? So we could slide
Yeah, but
down.
why are you adding like 2 slides?
I'm not. I'm adding more than 2. I was just getting them prepared.
Okay, we're almost there.
No, homie, you do what's up my day.
Bro, we're almost there! I just run into bro.
Then I have some big issues.
Why are we talking about my cat right now? Like he's not in.
Because he has
Is he in?
some
The,
issues.
oh, if you guys want a picture, I'll put a picture of him like down below. A funny picture.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the picture of him. I'm gonna put the picture of him. No, don't put it on yet. Don't put it on yet. Don't put it on yet.
Oh, I want to slow down.
Okay, there. That's good.
Falling. Slide down slowly.
Whee! Okay, guys, if my headset dies, I'm gonna have to make a part 2. But if my headset dies, but if my headset doesn't die, then I won't make a part 2. If my headset dies, you have to save it, bro. Oh, put it on the side, but yeah, I'll call you from my iPad. Oh my gosh. Yo, can you just slide this side or that side?
We're just gonna do one slide.
No. Oh my gosh. Bro, look at this.
Hey. Look at what?
You didn't see that? Oh my gosh. Okay, look, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go on it.
Okay, it's gonna be a while.
We gotta hurry up. We gotta hurry up. Oh my gosh, that's so high.
I told you.
I'm gonna have to do a part 2 of the freaking climate.
Yeah, at this rate, we're probably gonna have to do part 2.
Bro, if am I almost there? Bro, am I almost there? I'm not almost there.
No, nowhere near.
Oh shoot! I just threw my controller. I definitely just threw my controller. Oh shoot! Now it's vibrating.
Are your controllers upstairs? No!
What happened?
I dropped the whole slide piece.
Am I almost there now?
No.
Oh my gosh! You're just climbing so fast.
At this point, you're probably gonna have to do a part 2.
Don't mind my hand, guys. Gotta hurry. Bro, do you see me?
Sure. I just jumped in.
Bro, do you see me? Am I almost there now?
Bro, I jumped down.
Oh my.
No, you're nowhere near there. Boom.
Bro, my mother is
That. Your mother.
Shut. Okay, guys. This is taking forever just to climb up. It's kind of tiring my arms.
Bro, you're somewhat almost there. I'll slide all the way down.
You want to eat now or you want to wait a minute?
In a minute.
I'm going to go lay down for about 30 minutes.
Bro, okay. Oh my gosh.
Do that,
I'm over there. Okay, after you're done building this, bro, put the slide up here before my headset dies.
I will.
Cause I'm almost there. Oh gosh, I can see it. God, my arms hurt.
Oh,
And if you guys wanna,
you are almost there.
oh my gosh, my arms hurt so much. Last step.
Grab the top.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that took so long, bro.
Imagine if you just fall off.
I would crash out so bad, bro. I would probably throw my headset. It's gonna hit the window. Whee! I'm gonna fall.
I just fall.
Whee! 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 Whee!
Is that
Ah! I believe I can
is that
fly.
a fly?
Okay, guys. Like and subscribe for part 2.